Is it okay if I do one more demo on the AI with this live streaming? I'll take that as a yes. So remember this SAP report, RM07 docs. I don't know how anyone is able to make any decisions out of this. But what I have been playing around with is this really simple chat bot where user doesn't need to know RM07 docs and this and that, etc. They can simply say, hey, I need material documents list, right? It goes and understands. We have a MCP model built up with all the SAP information. It understands and infers what is it that the user is asking for, and it translates that into what SAP information source I need to go, whether it's a report or a table or whatever. When I run this insights, it will go get this live API information from SAP and then do two things. It goes and understands and gives me top 3 insights. So based on all of this information, it is telling me now, hey, your materials document list, I have pulled from SAP. And then these are the top insights which I could find for your data. So, all high concentration of goods receipt at Dresden plant. This might lead to clogging at this particular plant. And then it gives a recommendation that if this bulk receiving is going to reduce the throughput of this plant. Second one, it is going and sharing on the fly is, e-commerce returns are very high in the Dallas plant. The third one, there's inconsistency in WBS element. And finally, it summarizes, what's the data it has found. All of this is happening live based on the streams it gets from SAP. We can easily mash it up with streams from non-SAP as well and feed users actionable recommendations instead of dumping them with this kind of data. And since our model is, we have this catalog, we are able to call any of the SAP apps models on the fly. We can orchestrate some of those actions. So instead of 20 different agents, we have one agent which can keep on querying and taking actions. What do you guys think about that kind of AI orchestration?
So Anupam, this AI that you've got now here, right, is this something that the user can install on their local environment? Because most of the customers that we always have, the issue is that using something like ChatGPT or even Copilot and those type of things, big corporations don't like to send their data to organizations like those. Hence, they would rather spin up their own closed down environments like this. Does this link into like Azure closed ChatGPT models that one can do, or how does this then work? Because this is awesome for some of the clients that we've done stuff now as well. I mean, I've implemented a Databricks AI typical chatbots on people's data as well. And currently we're investigating Agentic-AI with using the MCP services now. That's the latest and greatest thing, right?
Yes, that's a great question. Right now, this is built on an agentic model, which we are using. I think we are using Claude as well as OpenAI. Claude for inferencing and for translating this text which user types to what SAP object I need to look up from the MCP catalog. Right now, what we have set up in the demo environment is using the public APIs. But if a customer has Azure, OpenAI APIs or others, it's simply plug and play. We would be going ahead and hooking up all of this agent onto their APIs. And we kept it to browser based so that there is literally zero front end installation. They can just use a browser and get their insights. So in terms,
our clients that we currently have, this would be actually really useful, to be honest, especially on their SAP data.
Yes.